Idea is the power of everything. Ideas are abstract concepts or mental representations of something, including thoughts, images, and suggestions for action. Ideas play a crucial role in shaping human behavior, thoughts, and decision-making processes. They are the basis for innovation, problem-solving, and creativity. Ideas can be transformative, challenging the status quo and leading to new ways of thinking and doing things. Ideas can also play a significant role in shaping society and culture. They can drive political and social change, influence attitudes and beliefs, and shape the way we understand and interact with the world. Ideas are also essential in the development of new products, services, and technologies, driving economic growth and progress. In conclusion, ideas are central to human progress and play a vital role in shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and the world we live in. Encouraging and embracing new ideas, fostering creative thinking, and supporting innovation are crucial to driving growth, progress, and positive change. Ideas are a fundamental aspect of human cognition and thought processes. They are abstract concepts or mental representations of something, including thoughts, images, and suggestions for action. Ideas serve as a foundation for creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. One of the most critical characteristics of ideas is that they are intangible and exist only within the mind. They are not physical objects and cannot be touched, seen, or heard in the same way that physical objects can be. Instead, ideas are mental constructs that allow us to make sense of the world and understand complex concepts and ideas. Ideas are also dynamic and can evolve over time. An idea that is initially a simple thought or image can grow and become more complex as it is developed and refined. Ideas can be influenced by a wide range of factors, including experiences, emotions, knowledge, and beliefs. The process of generating new ideas is a crucial aspect of human creativity and innovation. People often use a variety of techniques and strategies to stimulate their imagination and generate new ideas. These may include brainstorming, free association, and mind mapping. Brainstorming is a widely used method for generating new ideas. It involves bringing together a group of people to discuss and build on each other's ideas. During a brainstorming session, participants are encouraged to share their thoughts and ideas freely, without judgment or criticism. The goal is to generate as many ideas as possible and explore different possibilities. Free association is another technique that can be used to generate new ideas. It involves allowing the mind to wander freely and associate ideas with each other in an unstructured and random manner. This process can lead to new and unexpected connections and insights, which can be the basis for new ideas. Mind mapping is another technique that can be used to generate and organize ideas. This technique involves creating a visual representation of ideas, often in the form of a diagram or chart. The goal is to link ideas together in a way that makes sense and helps to clarify and develop them further. Once new ideas have been generated, the next step is to evaluate and refine them. This process involves assessing the feasibility and potential of each idea, as well as identifying any potential challenges or obstacles. The goal is to determine which ideas are worth pursuing further and which are not. Ideas can be a powerful force for positive change and can have a significant impact on individuals, organizations, and society. They are the foundation of innovation, creativity, and progress. Encouraging and embracing new ideas, fostering creative thinking, and supporting innovation are critical to driving growth and positive change. In conclusion, ideas are a fundamental aspect of human cognition and play a critical role in shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and the world we live in. They are abstract concepts that exist only within the mind and serve as the foundation for creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. Encouraging and embracing new ideas, fostering creative thinking, and supporting innovation are crucial to driving growth, progress, and positive change. Ideas play a significant role in shaping society and culture. They can drive political and social change, influence attitudes and beliefs, and shape the way we understand and interact with the world. Ideas are the building blocks of cultural and social norms, and they can be transformative, challenging the status quo and leading to new ways of thinking and doing things. Throughout history, ideas have been instrumental in shaping society and culture. For example, the idea of equality and human rights has been a driving force behind political and social movements throughout the world, inspiring people to fight for justice, freedom, and dignity. The idea of democracy, which emphasizes the importance of individual freedom and participation in the political process, has also been a powerful force for change, inspiring the creation of democratic governments and institutions around the world. Ideas can also shape cultural norms and attitudes. For example, the idea of gender equality has been a powerful force in shaping attitudes towards women and their role in society. Similarly, the idea of environmentalism has helped to raise awareness of the importance of protecting the natural environment and has inspired the creation of environmental policies and initiatives around the world. Ideas can also be shaped by societal and cultural factors. For example, social and cultural attitudes towards race and ethnicity can shape the way people understand and experience racism. Similarly, cultural attitudes towards religion can shape the way people understand and experience spirituality and religious practices. In addition to shaping society and culture, ideas can also play a significant role in shaping economic and technological progress. The development of new ideas and technologies is essential for driving economic growth and progress. For example, the invention of the Internet has revolutionized the way we communicate, access information, and conduct business, leading to significant economic and technological progress. Ideas can also play a significant role in shaping the way we understand and interact with the world. For example, scientific ideas have helped us to understand the natural world, and they have shaped the way we think about and approach scientific inquiry. Similarly, artistic and literary ideas have shaped our understanding of beauty, creativity, and human expression. In conclusion, ideas play a significant role in shaping society and culture. They can drive political and social change, influence attitudes and beliefs, and shape the way we understand and interact with the world. Ideas are the building blocks of cultural and social norms, and they can be transformative, challenging the status quo and leading to new ways of thinking and doing things. Encouraging and embracing new ideas, fostering creative thinking, and supporting innovation are crucial to driving growth, progress, and positive change. Ideas are central to human progress and play a vital role in shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and the world we live in. They are the building blocks of human creativity, innovation, and progress. Ideas have the power to inspire and motivate, to challenge the status quo, and to create new ways of thinking and doing things. Throughout history, ideas have driven human progress and shaped the world we live in. For example, scientific ideas have revolutionized the way we understand the natural world and have led to major advancements in medicine, technology, and transportation. Philosophical ideas have challenged traditional beliefs and inspired new ways of thinking about morality, ethics, and human existence. And political ideas have transformed societies, leading to the creation of democratic governments, the abolition of slavery, and the recognition of human rights. Ideas also play a crucial role in shaping our thoughts and behaviors. They shape our beliefs, values, and attitudes, and they can have a powerful impact on the way we view the world and interact with others. For example, ideas about education, healthcare, and the role of government in society can shape our beliefs about what is important and influence our political opinions and voting behavior. Similarly, ideas about personal responsibility, success, and happiness can shape our goals and aspirations and influence the way we lead our lives. Ideas also shape the way we understand and experience the world around us. For example, ideas about the environment and sustainability have led to a growing awareness of the importance of protecting the natural world and have inspired the creation of environmental policies and initiatives. Ideas about culture and identity can shape the way we understand and experience our own cultural heritage and the cultural heritage of others. And ideas about art, literature, and beauty can shape the way we appreciate and experience beauty, creativity, and human expression. The power of ideas also lies in their ability to spread and influence others. The sharing of ideas has been instrumental in advancing human knowledge, culture, and civilization. For example, the sharing of scientific ideas has led to the development of new technologies and innovations, while the sharing of political and philosophical ideas has inspired movements for change and progress. The internet and social media have also made it easier than ever to share ideas, connecting people across the globe and enabling the exchange of ideas on a global scale. In conclusion, ideas are central to human progress and play a vital role in shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and the world we live in. They are the building blocks of human creativity, innovation, and progress, and they have the power to inspire and motivate, to challenge the status quo, and to create new ways of thinking and doing things. Encouraging and embracing new ideas, fostering creative thinking, and supporting innovation are crucial to driving growth, progress, and positive change, both on a personal and societal level.